Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to know easy and a simple technique how to balance the chemical equation with the example. Let us see. Let us see one chemical reaction, ammonia in the oxidation reaction, we are getting nitric oxide plus water. You know that in the chemical equation, left hand side of the arrow mark are called reactants and right hand side of the arrow mark are called products. LHS or HS. Okay. Now number of atoms in the left hand side should be equal to the number of atoms in the right hand side. That is called the balancing of chemical reaction. For this we are using a simple technique to balance this chemical equation. Let us assume some positive integers or coefficients of each term like A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we have in this chemical equation three type of atoms: nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. For nitrogen, comparing both sides, 1 into A in the right hand side, comparing with the right hand side, A is equal to 1 into C. For the hydrogen, 3 into A, 3A is equal to, comparing right hand side, for the hydrogen 2 into D, 2D. For the oxygen, in the left hand side 2 into B, 2B, comparing in the right hand side 2B is equal to, for oxygen in the 1 into C, C plus, and also in this term 1 into D plus D. So first of all, by these three linear equations we had to solve this. That means by taking first any one of them, taking A is equal to 1, automatically since A is equal to C, C became 1 also. Here substituting A value 1, 3 into 1 is equal to 2D. So 2D is equal to 3, then D is equal to 3 by 2. In this 2B is equal to C, C is 1, D is 3 by 2. 2B is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 4. Now substituting these values in this equation, A is 1 NH3 plus B is 5 by 4 O2 gives rise to C 1 into NO plus D into H2O. D means here 3 by 2 H2O. Okay. Now here in this fraction denominator, LCM of these 4 and 2 we get 2. So we get 4. So multiplying with 4 both sides, 4 into 1, 4 plus 4 into 5 by 4 O2 gives rise to 4 into 1, 4. Multiplying by 4 each sides, 4 into 3 by 2 H2O. This is 4 plus 4 get cancelled, 5 O2 gives rise to 4 NO 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 6 H2O. This is the balanced equation. Let us verify this is balanced or not. Easily verify. So number of atoms should be equal from each atom. For you take first nitrogen, 4 nitrogens in the left hand side. Here also 4 nitrogens. LHS is equal to RHS. For hydrogen, 4 3 are 12. 4 3 are 12 hydrogens. Here also 2 6 are 12 hydrogen atoms should be equal. In this oxygen, 2 into 5 10 oxygen atoms in the left hand side. Here also 1 into 4 4 oxygen atoms plus 1 into 6 6 oxygen atoms. 4 plus 6 10 oxygen atoms. So this became a balanced chemical equation. By using